Hey friends, ready to crush some comfort zones and unlock a hidden weapon in your natural wellness arsenal? I'm here to talk today about cold plunging. And trust me, this is one ice cold experience that'll heat up your health. For those of you who are new, I'm Anita Norris, and this is Anita Life, and I'm on a mission to prove that women over 35 can conquer anything, even our fears of taking the plunge, literally. 11 days ago, I embarked on a 30-day cold plunge challenge. Why? Because pushing myself outside my comfort zone is my jam. And cold plunging, let's be honest, sounds kind of intimidating. And to be honest, I've done a few cold plunges and I really didn't like them. But here's the thing, ladies. Just like starting a new workout routine, the biggest hurdle is often getting in the door, or really in this case, the ice bath. Fear of the cold, the shock, the unknown, they all whisper doubts in your ear. But guess what? I did it, and guess what else? It was incredible. Now, I've read a bit about the benefits, ones that I can for sure use in my life, and I'm willing to challenge myself to show you my results. They will, of course, only be a sample of one, but maybe that will be enough to help you try it when I'm done. Now, I'm going to be answering the questions, are cold water plunges good for you? And how to get the most out of cold water plunging. Thank you. Hey, many of you might wonder, why choose cold plunging? Well, it's more than just a test of willpower. It's actually a journey into the realm of unexpected health benefits. Because when you immerse yourself in cold water, your body isn't just reacting to the chill, it's activating a powerful natural healing process. Here's why it's worth taking the plunge. It boosts your metabolism. There's a fascinating aspect of cold plunges related to metabolic rate. Research suggests that regular exposure to cold can activate brown fat in our bodies. Now, unlike regular fat, brown fat burns calories to generate heat, potentially aiding in weight management. It's like giving your metabolism a little natural boost just by embracing the cold. It also enhances mood and mental well-being. The cold triggers a flood of mood-boosting endorphins, making you feel invigorated and alive. It's not just a physical reaction, it's a mental uplift, helping to combat feelings of stress and anxiety. It reduces inflammation and muscle soreness, but that's really just the beginning. For those of us who love an intense workout, whether it's CrossFit or weightlifting or any high-impact exercise, cold plunges can be a game changer. They help reduce muscle inflammation and soreness, speeding up recovery. That means you can get back to your workout sooner and more effectively, with less downtime due to muscle pain. It also improves circulation. Now, in the realm of physical health, the benefits of cold plunges are both immediate and long-lasting. When you take the plunge into cold water, your body's first response is vasoconstriction. Your blood vessels tighten. This process boosts your circulation as your body works to maintain its core temperature. The cold exposure enhances blood flow, particularly after you warm back up, which might take some time. But improved circulation means better delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your body's tissues that contributes to overall health and vitality. It strengthens immune response. Regular cold plunging has been linked to a stronger immune system. It stimulates the production of white blood cells, which play a role in fighting off infections and keeping you healthy. It also will enhance sleep quality. Many find that cold plunging can lead to better sleep. The cooling effect on the body can help regulate your natural sleep patterns, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Finally, there's also skin and hair health. The cold water can also benefit your skin and hair. It tightens pores and can reduce puffiness in the skin, giving you fresher, more youthful appearance. So it can invigorate your scalp, potentially leading to stronger, healthier hair. But that probably means you need to put your head in the water. I don't do that. So, by embracing the chill of the cold plunge, you're not just challenging yourself, you're unlocking a host of benefits that can enhance your physical and mental well-being in profound ways, which could mean better cardiovascular health, faster recovery from workouts, potential metabolic benefits, improved skin and hair health, and a stronger immune system. But what about mentally? Mentally, facing the challenge of cold water builds resilience. It's a form of stress training where you learn to maintain calmness and focus in uncomfortable situations. This can translate into better stress management and mental clarity in everyday life. One of the ways you do this is by controlling your breath when you first get into the water. Easier said than done, especially at the beginning of your cold plunge journey. I did that often. Now you might wonder, how long should I be in the cold plunge? Science tells us that 1 to 5 minutes is usually enough to gain most benefits. Beginners should start with just 30 seconds and gradually increase the time. It really is about consistency, not extreme duration every now and then. Regular short plunges can be far more beneficial than occasional longer sessions. Now let's talk about when to plunge for your specific goals. If you're looking for an energy boost, need a pre-workout pick-me-up, a short dip before hitting the gym will rev your engine and get you in the zone. Stress relief, feeling frazzled after a long day? Take a post-work plunge to melt away tension and leave your worries at the bottom of the tub. Now, I don't know about you, but no one ever mentioned cold plunging to me as a way to de-stress from work. Most of the time, I believe that was, Calgon, take me away. Muscle recovery. Did you crush your workout? Reward your body with a cold plunge to reduce inflammation and prevent soreness. Do that really close to after your workout. And if you need to sleep like a queen, or a king if you're a man, can't seem to catch enough Z's, a relaxing cold plunge before bed will help. I know that doesn't seem logical, but it works. All right, here are some tips for beginners. Start slow and steady. Don't jump into an ice bath on day 1. Begin with cooler showers and gradually decrease the temperature over time. Number 2, listen to your body. Make sure you breathe deeply, not that won't help. You need to be mindful of the cold shock and get out if you feel uncomfortable. Number 3, make it a ritual. Find your flow with a pre-plunge routine. Try saying that fast. Find one that works for you. You can use music or aromatherapy. That actually means essential oils. I think I'd probably use a calming oil like lavender or serenity or some other oil blend that I love if I was going to do aromatherapy. Or really, you can simply set an intention and that can enhance the experience. And number 4, I think I'm on number 4, celebrate your wins. Every plunge is a victory. Track your progress, reward yourself, and share your journey with others. So here's what I want you to do. Join the challenge. I'm not done yet, ladies. So follow me on my 30-day cold plunge adventure and share your own experiences. Let's conquer this icy challenge together. Check out the description below for links to articles, tips, and even cold plunge communities you can join. Remember, pushing your comfort zone is where the magic happens. So let's embrace the cold, ladies, and unlock the incredible power of the cold plunge. Here are some of my closing thoughts. Cold plunges are a refreshing path to better health and wellness. Now, as always, remember to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health routine, especially involving extreme temperatures. Here are the key points. It boosts metabolism. It enhances mood and mental well-being, reduces inflammation and muscle soreness. It improves circulation. It will strengthen the immune response. It enhances sleep quality and can benefit skin and hair health. Thanks for joining me on this exciting adventure, and remember to follow me for more healthy tips and insights. Here's to your health and happiness. Stay strong, embrace challenges, and keep thriving in life. Until next time, see ya.